Welcome to the Extreme Broadband Engineering product installation training on the 4 and 8 port DL series Data Plus amplifiers. In this session, we'll show what's included with the DL amplifier package, explain the features of the DL series Data Plus amplifier, look at DC power options, and show the mounting options. Let's get started. Let's look at what's included in the DL series Data Plus amplifier package. The DL Data Plus amplifier, optional mounting screws if not using quick mounting, installation instructions for quick reference during installation, 2 service loss tags, and a 15-volt DC power pack. Let's take a look at the port layout for the IPA1008DL-RSVF Data Plus amplifier. The D stands for data port and the L for local powering. We call these amplifiers our DL series. As with all of our Data Plus splitters and amplifiers, the input port is located on the top left and the passive VoIP modem port is located on the lower left. The passive port is identified with a blue port color and blue label, making installation easy and standardized. EMTAs and modems would be connected to this port. Since it is a passive port, it would not lose service if there was a power interruption to the amplifier. There's a dedicated local powering port, a LED power indicator, which is a visible indicator that the unit has DC power, and there are 8 amplified forward and return unity gain ports. The IPA1008DL-VF has 8 passive return ports. Each amplifier has a unique bonding block system and 2 quick mount tabs for quick installation and servicing. The IPA1004DL-RSVF has the identical layout as the 8-port amplifier. The only difference is that it has 4 forward and return gain ports. The IPA1004DL-VF has passive return. The DL series amplifier comes with a side label for easy port identification when mounted horizontally, and a second green LED power indicator, which is a visible indicator that the unit has DC power. The DL series amplifiers integrate 3 devices into one compact housing. By eliminating 3 separate devices, it reduces jumpers needed and makes for a cleaner installation with less potential failure points. The first internal device is a 2-way splitter which loses 4 dB, with one leg feeding directly to the VoIP modem port. This port will be connected to the phone or modem service. This is a passive port, and any power loss to the amplifier would not cause interruptions to these services. The second leg of the 2-way is connected directly to a 15 dB gain amplifier. Each amplifier can come with either a passive or active return. The output of the amplifier feeds the output splitter, which can be either a 4-way or an 8-way splitter. In this example, we're showing an 8-way which loses 11 dB. We call the 8-port amplifier a 0 dB gain device since it has 15 dB of passive loss and 15 dB of gain. The IPA1004 has 11 dB of passive loss and 11 dB of gain. The amplifier can be powered directly using the local power port or remotely through either the VoIP modem port or RF output number 1. Let's take a look at the flexible powering options of the DL series amplifiers. The DL Data Plus amplifiers have very flexible powering options to meet any powering scenario. The first option is through the local power port. Local powering allows the amplifier to be powered from any convenient AC outlet by using a dedicated coaxial cable between the power transformer and the amplifier just for DC power. Plug the power pack into the AC outlet and DC flows to the amplifier. The power pack and amplifier each have a green LED indicating that DC is present. There are two options for remote powering, either through the VoIP modem port or RF output number 1. These options require the use of the power inserter along with the DC power pack. Remote powering is the ability to power the amplifier from any location where there's a cable and an electrical outlet close together. Typically, this can be any location where cable outlets are located, as the end consumer device needs power to work. With remote powering, DC flows in the same coaxial cable as the RF. Power from the VoIP or modem location through the passive VoIP modem port, or any other cable location through RF output number 1. For more detailed information on remote powering, see our video, Data Plus Remote Powering, on our website under the Training category. Let's now look at the flexible mounting options. The TrueFlex tabs provide the ability to mount the DL series amplifiers either vertically, horizontally, or quick mount, providing true flexibility in mounting options. The amplifier can be mounted vertically using the included screws, or horizontally. When using the Infinity premise enclosure with the quick mount rails and the TrueFlex tabs with the quick mount groove, the DL series amplifiers can be mounted and secured without the use of screws. This provides time savings when installing and also easy access to the connectors when performing upgrades and servicing. The unique bonding block system provides a secure bonding connection without causing damage to the conductor. Let's review what we've learned in this training on the DL series Data Plus amplifier installation. We showed what's included in the package, explained the features of the DL series Data Plus amplifier, looked at DC powering options, and showed the mounting options. Thank you for viewing this product installation training on the DL series Data Plus amplifiers. For additional training topics, see our website at www.extreme-broadband.com.